So 3-card Monte was probably my most favorite bar game when I was trying to get free drinks or whatnot, just trying to entertain people, whatever it is. And it's real simple. I'm going to show you the basics behind it, even though there's a lot of variations to it. Ultimately, you have 2 black aces and you have 1 red ace. And what you want to do is you want to show the people that are participating, okay, where they are. You end up picking them up, showing them, and all you have to do is keep track of the red ace. And if you can find the red ace, then you win a drink, okay, or money or whatever you're going to do. Now, if you pick this one, you're wrong, okay? If you pick this one, you were right. You have a good eye, right? And you're ahead of the game, right? Now this is where things are going to start getting a little confusing, okay? Because I'm going to do the exact same thing that I just did. The only difference is one little thing. Now, do you still think it's this one? Because if you did, it's wrong. And if you think it's this one, then you are correct. The illusion behind this game is quite easy, okay? It's just, you're given the illusion that you're throwing the bottom card when you're not. You're throwing the top card instead. Most people think that you're doing this, you're throwing that bottom card. But what you're doing is you're releasing this and you're throwing that card down. And then from here, you can put this over. They're gonna be following this one. And whatever you do over here, they're not gonna really be paying attention. They're gonna be focused on this card. And at that point, they've already lost. As soon as they start focusing on the wrong card, they're wrong. They think that what you've done is you have thrown the bottom card when you didn't, okay? So if you would have guessed this one, you would be wrong, okay? If you thought this one, you're wrong, and if you thought this one, you're right. And then you can mix it up back and forth to fool around with people. Now my favorite variation is this. What I've got is my 2 black aces, and you show it to them, and you sandwich the red ace between the 2 black aces, just like this, okay? They can see that it's sandwiched between there. Now, this is the thing that's really gonna blow their mind. It's real simple, right, to confuse somebody if I am the one that is switching the cards up. Like if I'm the one that's throwing these guys around and everything like that, it's easy to confuse somebody. So I let them shuffle the cards and it blows their mind every single time. So at this point, what I would do is I'd say, where do you want me to put the top card? And they'd say, I don't know, over here. So I get this top card, make sure that there's only one, put it over here like they say. Say, well, where do you want to put the middle card, right? And they'll say, I don't know, over here. So you get this card, you bring it over like that. And you say, are you satisfied with that shuffle? And they're gonna be like, yeah. And I'll say, okay, you have to find the red ace. Now, this is the thing. If you cannot find the red ace because I let you shuffle it, everything along those lines, you know, if you cannot find it, that's a pitcher you owe me. You owe me a pitcher of beer, man. If you can't get it, or money, or whatever. Most people are gonna be like, dude, it's so easy. Of course I know where it is. And you say, okay, cool. Deal. They shake the hand or everything like that. Cool, where's the red ace? And they're gonna say, here, okay? And you say, all right, I tell you what, if it's here, double or nothing. Double or nothing if it's here. So now it's 2 pitchers or, you know, whatever, okay? Okay, cool. Always try to double when they think that they're absolutely sure, okay? So then you say, nope, it's not a red ace, it's a red king. And then they'll say, what? And you say, do you think it's this one? And they're gonna be like, I don't know. Say double or nothing, whatever, you keep doing it. Nope, that's a black king. And if you think it was this one, it was a black king, because it doesn't make a difference which one you picked. None of them were red aces.